Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix TikTok community guidelines violation problem. In this video, we'll cover how to fix a TikTok community guidelines violation issue. Sometimes your video or account may be flagged by mistake, so first check your inbox for a message from TikTok stating which rule was allegedly broken. Common violations include harmful content, harassment, copyright, or violent material. If you believe it's an error, tap the notification and submit an appeal, clearly explaining why your content doesn't violate the rules. TikTok usually reviews appeals within 24 hours to 72 hours. If your content does violates rule, edit or delete the problematic parts, like muting copyrighted music, blurring sensitive visuals, or avoiding banned keywords. You can also check your account status and settings, privacy, account to see if there are warnings or restrictions. Warning usually reset after consistent clean activity. If needed, contact TikTok support via report a problem for further assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.